We started with a really fun 2020, let's say mga January, February, and then March, it really was stagnant na talaga. Like,
it is full of events that change our lives.
A mixture of joy and pain.
Mapaghamong taon at sukatan kung gaano yung katatagan ng bawat isa.
I mean, who will never forget this year? We've been controlled by this pandemic. Our lives were not normal.
And even limited our movements, limited our life, and caused us different kinds of hardships.
My family was badly affected by this pandemic. COVID really hit us hard that my dad left this human world. It's very unexpected and that we didn't even say goodbye to each other. Lahat mabilis nangyari, pero wala, ganun talaga siguro.
Memorable moment sa akin yung pagkakataon na ako'y nakapaglingkod bilang isang frontliner. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam.
Most memorable moment of my year, I believe to many it will be a surprise, but it's actually my birthday because I was able to celebrate it with my family, not the usual wherein I'm busy working, I'm out of town. This time, even if it's pandemic, I was able to celebrate it with my mom, my siblings, my brothers. Even if we feel like we lack a lot of things during the time of pandemic, I still felt complete because in my life, they are my strengths and I was happy.
Yung bond ng family, kasi dati nga hindi ko na-experience yung ganun na nasa sala, nagkukwentuhan kami na kumpleto kaming lahat. Nandyan si mama, si papa, lahat ng mga kapatid ko, yung mga pamangkin ko.
Ang safest place pala ay sa family mo. It's not the gym, it's not the mall, it's not the church. The safest place is your home and you're with your family.
the most important lesson that I learned in 2020 is always be grateful. Whatever happens, whatever comes to our lives. Alam nyo, ang lagi kong sinasabi, ang problema hindi nauubos, napapalitan lang. Yun yung pinaka-motto ko ngayon 2020.
Tinuruan ako ng 2020 para makontento kung ano yung meron ako. At subukang sanayin ang sarili na mamuhay ng payak at simple. Dahil kung nung dati, naging materialismo ako personally.
Material things is useless. Luxury cars, expensive bags and shoes and clothes, they're nothing.
What really matters most is that amidst the pandemic, you are with your family, you are with your loved ones, and money is just secondary.
We all learned how to go back to basics, focusing on what matters, and they are the people whom we love, we care for, and those who are genuine to us.
It has also taught us a lot of things like greed, determination, resourcefulness, resilience, and even more so, compassion.
My hopes for 2021 is sana maging okay na lahat. Hindi man tayo bumalik sa dati, at least maging okay na, maging stable na lahat.
Sana yung mayayakap natin isa't isa ulit, makakatabi natin sila ng malapit.
Unti-unti na manumbalik yung dating sigla ng ating lipunan, ng ating komunidad.
A better normal wherein people will cling on to the healthier side of life. Let us not only think of ourselves but of other people as well. Because at the end of the day, we are here to coexist, to take care of one another, to take care of our resources and the earth that we live in.